Hello, hello, welcome. Today is your the morning breath. Which day? Oh my goodness. Day 55 of yesterday. Today's 56, man. 56 in the house. That's 5 and 6. 5, 6. I'm having a pretty good hair day. I don't know why. Yesterday, man, I had the worst headache ever. I mean, not ever. It reminded me of a time when we're swinging arms, okay? Don't forget to swing arms. Roll out your ankles a little bit. Roll out your toes. Flex your toes. I think it was a caffeine withdrawal headache, the yesterday one, but the one that it reminded me of. Inhale. Or exhale. Okay, inhale. Just easy. No arms. Oh, man. Oh, yeah, that's stretchy. Exhale. And then with the arms, inhale. Check your hips. Check your hips with your quads engaged. So straight legs. And then shift your weight side to side, lifting one heel like just off the ground, just off the ground. Nothing crazy. You know, you're not trying to go like this with straight legs. Not yet. And exhale. Inhale, 2. Exhale. I got sick from eating bad mayo. Never doing that again. Actually, I'm never gonna eat mayo again. Just saying. Just saying. Inhale, 3. Inhale, 4. You know, some people, I hear this voice like, oh, just because you got sick once, you know, doesn't mean you can't conquer that fear. You gotta overcome that fear. Fear of mayo? Seriously? Well, everything counts. Yeah, everything does count. Overcoming mayo, though? Inhale. It's not a priority in my life. Like, what? Okay, if I overcome mayo, well, how does that benefit anybody or me or anything? Inhale, 4. It's not even a afterthought for me, overcoming.
Okay, we're back. Is this thing crooked?
I think it is.
I had to step away because
I ran out of room.
my phone, man, 32 gigs is plenty if you manage it. We were on 5, I think. Inhale, 5. Inhale, 6. And I was talking about my headache, the mayonnaise. Blech. You know what mayonnaise is made of anyways? Bunch of nonsense. And why? Why does it exist? You tell me. Inhale, 7. This is not a rant on mayonnaise. Why does this feel off-center? I don't know. Maybe I'm off-center. My shoulders seem so tapered, narrow. So weird. Inhale, 8. I often don't have points to my stories, so try not to hold that against me. Because I'm just letting it out. Whatever is on my mind, I just let it out. That was 8. Inhale, 9. Oh. If I can say something about my headache, it was a caffeine withdrawal. So for the past month, I've been having a little bit, like this much like about that much each day of Bang energy drink. And I was like, this tastes good. It's not doing anything. But man, did that headache hit me. Inhale, make this count. Quads, hips, core, lift chest, shoulders relax. If you don't know how to do it, bring them up to your ears and then let them fall. And inhale 10. Belly button out. Alright, where that at? So obviously, because my head, I don't feel like dying. Yesterday I felt like dying. I'm in a much better mood than I was yesterday. Good to see you again, and hope to see you soon. The light in me sees and honors the light in you. Namaste. Much love.